Hi, this is TinyBin. You may have encountered this kind of problem. You have installed several third-party products, and when you load a Genesis 8 basic figure, a pop-up is displayed and tells you there are some missing files. It is very hard to track this kind of issue. And today I will show you how to solve this problem by using the new feature of TinyBin Daz Content Manager. First, you need to copy this information. And in TinyBin Daz Content Manager, in Utilities tab, click Search File Content and paste it in Search Content. Since you don't know which product causes this issue, we need to find this content in a specified directory. So, click Select. Find the appropriate folder you want to search under Data, Depth 3D, Genesis 8, and Female. So this is the folder where all the morphs will be loaded when loading a Genesis 8 basic female. Click OK. And click Start Search. Okay, so this is the file causes the issue of missing files. And how we find the product according to this file? We can copy the file path, but not the whole path, just part of this path. And in Install tab, click F-Search, which means a file search. So this is the product contains this file. And this is the product causes this problem. And all you need to do is uninstall this product. So when we load the Genesis 8 basic female again, there will be no pop-up window displayed. Thank you for watching. Please visit my Patreon to download the application and learn more about TinyBin Daz Content Manager.